Howard yn gwneud yn am heibio i Stevens, mae'n brasgamu mewn i'r cwrt Cosby, mae Wild yn y canol, Howard yn mynd i hun ar bediad o didog gan Ramsey. Rediad wych gan Conor Howard. Ramsey yn sefyll i fyny'n gadarn. Bores, teg at Edwards arbeniad, a mae gefn yr oed. 6 munud o'r hanner cyntaf weddill, oedd ein chwip o Gornel gan Brad Bores ar symudiad yn Odido gan Dave Edwards. Wild, Howard, yn ryddhau Bradley. Yn mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. A Jack Kenny yn opsiwn o Bradley mynd i hun. Mae'n disgyn i Conor Howard. O'na lawio fanna gan Anthony Stevens. A maen nhw'n hawlio Cicor Smotyn. Rhain cyfflint. Bradley gafodd yr ergyd. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n honni fod wedi taro braich neu law Anthony Stevens. Gornel i'r bala. Yn fyr i Shannon. Neb yn gael lawr ar hyn o bryd. Shannon yr ergyd! A mae drwy'r clwstwr ar chwaraewyr. Drwy John Rushton. Gol gyntaf o'r tymor i Oli Shannon sy'n dyblu mantais y tîm cartro. A Mithyn y Flint yn cysgu am eiliad a'r bala yn ei Cosby nhw. Beniad. Un dda i Dave Edwards. Edwards yn rhyddhau Shannon. Mae'n cael un yno. Mae'n chwilio mael. Shannon! Siawns gen i'n sicrhau'r triffwynt i'r bala. Edwards i weledigaeth o'n rhyddhau Shannon. A tro yma y droed chwith yn curo Rushton. Ail o'r noson, ail o'r tymor i Shannon. Wild arbeniad i Kenny ddim yn cam sefyll. Os a gyfodd Flint dod yn ôl i'r gêm, Jack Kenny. Rownd y golwr. Yna lygedyn obaith i'r Flint. Nawfed o'r tymor i Jack Kenny. Wild yn ryddhau Kenny. Mi nath o bwyllo hun. Amgylch y golwr. A ffasio mewn i rwyd wag. Y bala tair y Flint hun.
Yeah, I thought we were outstanding tonight. We haven't been good over the last few weeks, and you know, we've called a few names out in the week and had a good training session. The lads have responded really well. I thought they were outstanding tonight and well worthy of the win.
I can't be too harsh on the players because they didn't give me anything less than 100% effort in terms of what they tried to do. You know, we've made some mistakes tonight that we'll be disappointed in, but we're in a really good position in the league. You know, after 14 points, and you know, I don't think anyone would have had us where we are, but the players have fully deserved that. You know, so we regroup again. And we look for the next game with the break, gives us time to work on a lot of things to be better for Haverfordwest.
It doesn't happen often, but you know, kind of when I play higher up, I always feel like I've got a chance to score, and you know, just got to take your chances, and you know, it doesn't really matter where I play. You know, just hopefully try and play like I did today, really.
Going to breathe now next week from the league semi-final.
Yeah, it's going to be a really tough game. Connaskey are different now under Craig and stuff, you know, but they're still really a tough opposition. They come here and deservedly won 4-0 the other week, so you know we're a bit wounded by that, and we want to respond. So it's important that we respond, and we want a better night than what we had last time they come.